Before the 18th century, humanity relied on muscle, wind, and water. Then, everything changed.
Thomas Newcomen's early design paved the way, but James Watt's innovations unleashed true mechanical might.
Steam engines transformed quiet towns into sprawling industrial titans, driving factories day and night.
Soon, steam conquered the land and sea. Iron horses and massive ships connected the globe like never before.
By the late 19th century, steam power was the absolute backbone of global industry and commerce.
But progress never sleeps. The internal combustion engine and electricity soon offered cleaner, more efficient power. The roaring boilers grew silent, gradually replaced by the relentless hum of electric motors and diesel engines. Though no longer king, the steam engine's legacy still burns brightly as the mighty catalyst of the modern world.